The moment I start to dance, my life purpose starts to begin. That's the only way I can express my feelings, my emotions, and I'm always myself. I've been encouraged by my family to be real, to be myself no matter what. And once I discover my passion, I realize that this is who I am, a dancer. I believe that in each one of you there is an artist, so you should express yourself and choose the best way. Follow your passion, feel free, and express your emotions through dancing. There is no better way of expressing it. Never be scared of unknown. I always believe that if you follow your steps in life and whatever makes you happy, there is nothing wrong. Don't look for perfection. Dancing is a way of expressing yourself. So why should be perfect? There is nothing wrong on the dance floor. It's just being you.
For me, I've always dreamed of becoming a dancer. Ever since I was a child, ballet was my ultimate goal. But I never really went into a studio or even told my parents I want to do it. I was always scared and I didn't feel brave enough to actually step on the dance floor and dance. But I really didn't need all that. I didn't need a classroom, I didn't need a teacher up until recently with my dear friend and teacher Alexandra. Because I just felt like I was a dancer by birth. I felt like dance has always been within me ever since. I would always dance on my own, put some music on, and my room was my stage. To me, art is whatever makes you feel something, whether good, sad, just emotion in general. So for me, dance, when I see people dance or when I dance, it's a language. Everything is just so mind-blowing. Especially like the other day I went and watched the Swan Lake. I was just in this state of, I can't even describe it. Like, you know when you're meditating, me as a yoga teacher, it's just so beautiful. I really can't express how much dance is such a powerful thing. I truly believe that every single one of us is a dancer, but we have some people who have this sleeping dancer within them and they just need to awaken it in some way. And I feel like you just need to step out of your comfort zone and really just be who you are, express yourself, express your emotions, and that even if you do some silly moves, there's nothing, it's still dance, it's still movement, it's still a form of art and communication.